I miss you.
Got him.
Bonfire day. So Kayla and I are hosting a bonfire later on today at Dockweiler Beach at 7:30. But there's still a lot of preparations that need to be done. For example, we still don't have the firewood, fire starter, and other snacks, which you can imagine is still a problem. What that means is Caitlin and I have to go early to the fire pit since you can't really reserve one and set everything up. So as soon as I finish this panini, I'm gonna go ahead and head over to Walmart to get the stuff that we need. And so the hunt begins. Just got to Kayla's house, and you gotta load the car up. Oh, it's a spike. Close the door so it doesn't get inside. So while loading up the car, I cut myself. Oh. Where's Daniel? Can you pop your head out?
Hello. Let's go. Thank you.
You gotta get over here on this side.
I know, I can see it, but...
Zoom in. The green.
Yeah, I went
Where
to
does he
Shore.
do lift? And by Felix?
Nah, he goes everywhere. Did you have Dominican food?
It's like an excuse for me to leave because she started doing shady stuff. So I'm...
So nobody knew what was going on, and so she was.
I say mayonnaise.
I say mayonnaise too. I don't say mayonnaise.
I don't say mayo.
Okay.
TV, were they?
I thought I was talking to a girl, but I was talking to a guy online.
Yeah.
What is that called?
Surfboard. And more onions.
Grilling.
Barbecuing.
What's his name?
Peter. Oh, Peter Parker.
Yeah. Red suits.
Married to Alaska girl.
Violet Jen.
Super strong.
You're in the water.
Okay. Snorkeling.
Yeah. Down.
What?
No.
We can't say
Not
that.
a TV show. You go to the theater for this. On H2O.
Water. Surfboard.
Something else.
The Juice, the football player who killed.
Yeah.
Cinderella is a princess. And not a frog. No, and a snap.
Opposite of king, the female.
Queen.
A cat that wears special shoes.
Jenny, I love you.
Life is like a box of chocolate.
Kobe.
3-pointer. See the world.
I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go there.
I want to visit New Orleans. I want to do this.
Traveling.
Yes.
What I do that?
Yeah. 8 legs. 8 legs.
Spider.
In the ocean. In the ocean.
Red with black dots.
Ladybug.
Yes.
Anteater.
Yes. Arthur.
Not an
What is
anteater.
Arthur?
Armadillo.
No.
Man,
An anteater.
no.
The store Artesia. When you get the costumes.
Oh, aardvark.
Yeah.
Not a shark, but a...
Dolphin.
There you go.
Yeah.
Wolf.
Madagascar. I like to move it. Yeah.
But
Kick the bar.
Oh.
Not Google, but my email. Email.
Campbell's slogan. What is their thing?
The brochure. What
The
is
flower.
it? Legos are kind of like a.
Legos.
What are the squares?
Yeah, what's another one?
Building blocks.
Yeah.
Class you take to get your license.
Like this? Like this?
In school, when someone's telling you how to.
You get a ticket. You get a ticket and you have to take it.
No, you like
it's
you
like
like. What are we doing?